Pumipila ka pa rin ba para sa imprenta? Gusto mo sana ang mas mabilis, maayos at fully mobile-controlled na, yung mapasaan at kailan makaka-imprenta ka? Pero wala pang ganito. Kaya good news! Paano kung may alam akong application na willing na maging parte ng success mo? Ito'y dinesenyo para sa mga guro't estudyanteng katulad mo na willing to build a branch on or near at your school campus to serve you. Hi, I am Joy, your host for today, and I will walk you through as you start your journey on Copify. Yes, you hear it right. Nandito na si Copify, the first campus digitalized printing shop. Ang unang mobile printing application with academic resource integration support by offering subscriptions for subject-specific resources with add to cart and priority features. Dito pupunta ka na lang sa shop para mag-claim with the one-tap power of Copify NFC claim card mo na sa bawat peso may money back pa for free printing. San ka pa? Install na! Your convenience starts with installing the Copify application. Available na po both Android and iOS. Now, ituturo ko muna kung paano mag-register through your phone device after you install. Una, hanapin ang school address nyo for the branch to register. Then next, i-click ang status nyo, student or teacher, and know the advantages as per status. Pangatlo, you will be directed to Copify terms and condition ayon sa estadong pinili. And make sure na basahin at intindihin nyo ito muna bago nyo i-click ang I agree. Pang-apat, log in or create your account by registering your information. Fill out the forms with the details being asked and double-check nyo rin kung tama yung mga information na pinoprovide nyo. Gamitin ang referral code ng kaibigan o ng mga influencers ni Copify for optional. Pang-lima, pumili ng plan ayon sa kaya. The longer time you choose, the more money you save and get 20% discount now. And lastly, pay your subscribe plan with GCash or PayMaya. Here is the best part. Your subscription is refundable after 6 months from the visit date of your school if it will not pass the qualification of Copify as 1,000 subscribers, and mag-resume naman ang subscription plan time nito during Copify branch launching sa campus nyo. Once registered, enjoy uploading your own materials and place it to print, and start subscribing to your enrolled subject page that was created by your teacher to get notified and use the add to cart feature to get a copy without a long pila. Create your own story with Copify now. Take this opportunity to win your success. Unlock the full potential of your education journey with Copify. Take note, your journey will start as you request a branch gamit ang QR na ito para magawa ng branch system to make your school address available sa apps.